Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn how you will introduce yourself in front of a person who don't know who are you. So watch the video carefully. My name is Dash. I am studying in Dash standard. I am Dash years old. I live in Dash. My friend's name is Dash. My hobby is Dash. My favorite color is Dash. Now see an example. My name is Ahmed. I am studying in first standard. I am 7 years old. I live in Mahad. My friend's name is Muhammad. My hobby is reading. My favorite color is blue. So dear students, according to given example, change your name, standard, age, place, friend's name, hobby and color.